Hi, hello, and welcome back to a new video. Today, it's a complete different video because today I will show you some online jobs for data annotation because honestly, I was looking for some jobs like this because I used to work for a lot of companies, but this website is amazingly good. I started working on it, I think three months ago or something like this, and it's very good and they pay very well, and even I will show you everything. So the website is Mercor. So first of all, I will put this link in the description box and also in the first comment, so you can just come here and then go to this button and click. So here is the website. Here, as you can see, you will find a lot and a lot of jobs, a lot, guys. And of course you can find exactly how what is it. First of all, the title, what are you going to do exactly, like here for example, English language audio model trainer, for example, or finance expert. A lot of stuff, and all of them are remote. And as you can see here, you will find the hourly payment, we can say that, yes, and it is very good. As you can see, it's really good. Okay, let's not talk about this stuff because it's management or finance, so something expert, but let's only talk about easy things. Like for example, here, digital annotation expert, you will get $16 per hour. For English language audio model, you will get 20. There are a lot of easy things, like for example, if you are good at math, you can do some competition problem, and it is so good. Look at the payment, oh my god. Or if you can do or make films, and you know how to do like montage and these stuff, as you can see, $45 are not, like, not, it's too much, guys. So yeah, it's very good. This website contains a lot and a lot of opportunities. You can find every single thing. Even, oh, by the way, this is something amazingly good, that you can find PhDs, masters, and a lot of stuff, and they will pay you also. So they will give you like um some questions, some stuff to do, easy stuff to do. Like for example, for me, I worked here for data annotation and stuff. It's really easy. And also I worked for video um, AI trainer. So just you will tell the AI exactly what to work, or if the AI is doing a great work, if it detects the voice, if it detects the colors, etc. So easy peasy. And also, if you are a teacher, you can find some jobs, online jobs for sure. I don't know, a lot of stuff, a lot and a lot. You can just come here, guys, and check if you will find a job for you. So I will put everything in the description box, so just click there. I will put it here, as I told you. I will put the link of this website in the description box and the first comment, and so you can come here and just click. But also you can read every single thing here in detail about the website, about Mercor, so you can understand exactly what to do, how to create an account, etc. So it's really easy, it's so good, and it's just free money, so this is the end of the video. I hope you like it, I hope it helps you. I hope, and I will pray for all you guys to find jobs, because I know that life is so hard and we need extra money. So please never give up. God is with us. And that's it for today. So see you. Bye bye.